As you know, the front of my car, especially the hood, is riddled with rock chips. I got tired of looking at it, so maybe I could hide it with some vinyl wrap. This is 3M vinyl wrap, and it's satin black. Full disclosure, I'm not a professional installer, so do not take this as a tutorial. I could be doing things wrong completely. I've seen a few YouTube videos. Seriously, this is just for me to test the look of black vinyl on my hood, whether I'm gonna like it or not. And it's a cheap way to find out. It's not expensive to do. I got it off Amazon, and I just wanted to see how it would look. So here I am actually applying it. I secured it down with some blue masking tape so it doesn't go flying all over the place. Here I am stretching it out a little bit just to flatten it down. It's not going to be perfect. I'm going to remove it anyway if I don't like it. If I like it, I'll leave it. So I'm stretching, pulling, stretching to sort of fit the curvatures and the lines. And here's the final result as far as a test run to see how it looks. What do you think? Leave a comment below. Would love to know your thoughts. Well, as you can see, I took the vinyl off. I didn't leave it on. I didn't like the look too much. It just didn't do well for the lines overall. If anything, maybe I'll vinyl wrap just the roof. I've seen other red cars with other SS's with a vinyl wrapped roof that looks really good. But until then, I'm leaving the exterior paint stock. I'll just have to live with those rock chips. Eventually, I'll get it resprayed with paint and redone and get it nice and clean again.
24 hours later.
Sorry, no video updates lately. Just, life comes first. And as you know, I don't vlog my life like, a regular vlogger might. What do you guys think of that, by the way? That's actually what I kind of wanted to throw out there. What was that? Do you guys like vlog style videos, or do you prefer something with more thematic content, purposeful content, a mix of both? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Personally, I don't live off this channel. I have a day job that takes care of me and the family, and retirement, all that good stuff, and paying the bills. Of course, that's always a challenge for anybody. But now, this channel was created for fun because there wasn't a lot of videos about this car in the United States, the Chevy SS. Now there's a little bit more, but it's still not a widely searched video subject. Not a lot of people, compared to other name brands, are searching Chevy SS, Chevy SS, Chevy SS, as much as they would search for maybe Camaro SS or Dodge Charger, SRT, Scatback, Hellcat, Widebody, and Corvettes or Ferrari, you name it. Those more recognizable, bigger brand names, bigger model names, more popular cars. So this is still a small channel, and I kind of knew that going into this would be probably stay small because of the subject matter. And then lately I've been doing more car videos featuring other drivers, other owners, brands, and their personal experiences owning it. And those have been pretty successful. Those are some of my best videos in terms of viewership, watch time, and a tiny bit of revenue I get, per video, which really isn't a ton. It's not big money in YouTube unless you are 6 figures of subs, millions of views, and then you start to see some substantial income coming in. And even then, you got to factor in overhead costs, paying a team to edit, because there's no way you could probably do it all on your own, but gosh, when the production goes higher, so does your operational needs and your cost. Anyway, enough of that. Let's just say the bigger you grow, the more it takes to deliver. So that brings me here. I haven't had a lot of content to shoot lately. I just haven't. Sure, if I was doing this full time, man, I really probably, I have some ideas, but you know, I focus on the family and work. Maybe that's just the problem. When something has to give, something has to give. Right now, in my time, in my life right now, it just doesn't fit a full-time YouTube gig to grow. However, that doesn't mean no videos are coming. I'm still gonna do videos because I personally enjoy creating videos for fun. And it's fun to read the comments, and you know, I don't do it for validation or self-serving or narcissism. It's a hobby, guys. I like camera gear. I've always been a photographer for many years, though those that know me personally know I've been doing this for a long time in terms of creating things. ArmandDiFiesta.com. Why don't you search that? And that website goes way back. So I will get some content eventually. Don't give up. Got some. I always love putting this stuff out. So stay tuned. We'll see you guys next one. Take care.